Hey guys, so we are here at Tea for, what is it? For tea?
Tea for you.
Hey guys, so we are here at the Tea for You milk tea place, and I've been to one of these before up in Tracy, California, but we are here in Fremont, California to try out some of their milk teas and snacks. And yeah, it's super hot outside, so I cannot wait to get a cool drink. This cafe is super cute. I just love the Tiffany blue color and everything. So what I really like about this place is that you can choose the level of sweetness you want as well as the level of ice you want. So if you don't want too much ice, you can tell them like, hey, you know what, I just want 25% sweetness or 25% ice. So that's always great to have some choices. So what we ordered was a jasmine green milk tea as well as a fresh watermelon smoothie with lychee jelly and some popcorn chicken and some egg puffs. So I cannot wait to try them out. So here's the basil popcorn chicken. It smells so incredible and it looks like it has such a good crunch on it. I cannot wait to dig in. And here's the watermelon slushy with the tapioca on the bottom. Looks really refreshing. And this is the drink that I ordered. This is the jasmine green milk tea. Yum. I know for a fact that this is a really good drink. And last but not least, we have our delicious egg puff. This is actually a lot more than I thought we were going to get, but everything looks delicious. Look at all that. Cannot wait to test it out. And another drink that I do recommend here is the Thai milk tea. That one is delicious as well. Okay, taste test number 1 first is the watermelon smoothie with lychee jelly. Oh yeah, that lychee jelly, that's really good. Okay, next up is the jasmine milk tea. It's not as sweet as the watermelon smoothie. The flavors there, the jasmine. And it's so refreshing too, something I really need. It's so hot today. Okay, for the best part, the chicken. I've always been a fan of popcorn chicken. I love the crunch. It's juicy on the inside. It has quite a bit of pepper on it, but the flavor is so darn good. Oh my god, are really good. Do you like it, Maya? She nodded her head. She likes it. She says it's a little bit spicy, but she can't handle spice. So on my radar, it's hardly spicy. But it's really good. I love how juicy the chicken is on the inside.
When you taste it, it's going to feel like it's whole and it's like tiny. Have you ever tried it?
See? It's the inside. Okay, next up is the egg puff. I've tried this before. It was not as good as I thought it was going to be, but it was edible. So hopefully this will taste good.
How do you actually love tea eggs?
Not bad again. It just tastes like a puffy version of a fortune cookie. The flavor's not bad though. I'll eat it. So that was tea for you, and yeah, everything was delicious. Everything was refreshing. It is over here in Fremont in the Mission Historic District. So if you're ever in the area, go check them out. And they do have various other areas, like I said before. There's one in Tracy that I've been to several times, and it's absolutely great as well. So yeah, tea for you, give you a thumbs up. I hope you like this type of video, these like taste test types of videos. If you do, just let me know and I'll try my best to do more and do it in other various places. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have a comment in the comment section below, don't hesitate to leave me a comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and you'll see future videos of mine. But until then, have a great day everyone and happy wandering. Bye.